Imagine trying to send a massive data load, like crystal clear 4K video, exact mouse movements, keyboard strokes, and stereo audio.
Right, that is a huge amount of data.
Yeah, and not just across a room, but across an entire city with virtually zero lag.
Yeah.
Today we're doing a deep dive into the source material for a highly specialized piece of tech. It's called the Smart-AVI DFX-XT-2P-S dual fiber extender.
It's a bit of a mouthful, I know, but the tech itself is incredible.
It really is. So, okay, let's unpack this. Pushing high bandwidth signals over older HDMI extenders that rely on those, special short distance shielded cables.
Oh, yeah, the copper ones.
Exactly. It's like trying to navigate congested local side streets. But in contrast, this new tech uses a single, inexpensive fiber cable, acting as a high-speed data expressway.
And the numbers from the source material on this expressway are just mind-bending. I mean, this device extends a dual-head 3840 by 2160 resolution signal at 60 hertz up to a staggering 10 kilometers.
Wait, 10 kilometers, like 6.2 miles.
Yeah, exactly. 6.2 miles on single-mode fiber, or, 500 meters if you're using multi-mode.
Wow. And the lag through all of that.
It's less than 4 milliseconds of latency.
That is wild. But wait, if we're sending video, why is this built around DisplayPort rather than standard HDMI?
Well, DisplayPort just offers superior performance over other sources for this kind of rigorous setup. It uses packet-based transmission, sort of like Ethernet.
Oh, I see. So it bundles the data.
Right, into micropackets.
Yeah.
And that provides higher resolutions, better refresh rates, and 10-bit color depth, which is absolutely vital for detail-driven work.
Like complex CAD rendering or remote color grading, right?
Exactly. You need absolute pixel perfection, not compressed consumer-grade streams.
Yeah, that makes sense. But here's where it gets really interesting. We're shifting from just the video specs to the system's KVM capabilities.
Right, the keyboard, video, and mouse routing.
Exactly. And the critical detail here is the uninterrupted emulation from the user's transmitter unit.
Yeah, what's fascinating here is that this emulation physically mimics the hardware presence of your peripherals at the server level. It locally stores and constantly sends a keep-alive signal back to the host computer.
So the computer always thinks the keyboard and mouse are plugged in.
Precisely. And that prevents accidental disconnections or deactivations during mission-critical operations.
Because anyone managing a server farm knows the sheer terror of a network hiccup. I mean, if a standard USB extender drops its connection for even a microsecond, the OS unmounts the hardware.
Right, the application panics and the whole system can crash.
Wow.
But with this emulation, the computer's operating system is none the wiser.
It believes everything is permanently hardwired.
Exactly, making it the perfect solution for extending servers for remote workflow management, data processing, and interactive conferencing.
So what does this all mean for you? Well, it's about seamlessly connecting users to remote servers without compromising a single pixel or keystroke.
It really is, and it leaves you with an interesting question to ponder.
Yeah.
If a single fiber cable can bridge a 6.2-mile gap with crystal clear 4K and zero lag, how does that completely redefine our concept of a physical workstation?
Oh, wow.
Right, because your heavy-duty server could secretly be sitting anywhere in the city,
Yeah.
entirely removed from your desk.